If your iPhone's call volume sounds too low even at full volume, don't panic. This video will show you how to fix and increase it step by step. First of all, turn up the volume during a call. The in-call volume is different from your media volume, so make sure you press the volume up button while you're on an active call. This directly controls how loud the other person sounds. Next, clean the earpiece speaker. Dust or debris can block sound. Use a soft and dry brush or a clean toothbrush to gently clean the top speaker of your iPhone. After that, turn off phone noise cancellation. And for that, go to your settings app, then tap on accessibility. After that, scroll down and tap on audio and visual. Here, toggle off phone noise cancellation. This feature can sometimes reduce clarity and volume. After that, make sure your iPhone isn't connected to Bluetooth earbuds or speakers during a call. Next, try disabling low power mode. This can sometimes limit audio performance to save power. And for that, go back to the main settings menu, then tap on battery and toggle off low power mode. After that, restart your iPhone. A simple restart can fix temporary bugs affecting audio. Also, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. And to check that, go back to the main settings menu, then tap on General. After that, go into Software Update, and if there's an update available, install it. If the problem still exists, try resetting all settings. And for that, go back to the General Settings menu, then scroll all the way down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then go to Reset and choose Reset All Settings from the options. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.